Hey everyone. Welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into a true American classic, the 1961 Chevrolet Bel Air. A car that represents style, innovation, and performance from the golden age of automotive design. In this video, we'll break down its exterior, interior, performance, and give you our final verdict on why this Chevy still turns heads more than 60 years later. Exterior. Let's start with the exterior. The 1961 Bel Air marked a major design shift from the flamboyant 1950s to a more streamlined, sophisticated look. It featured a lower, wider stance, clean body lines, and a flat hood. The signature bubble-top hardtop gave it that sporty elegance collectors love today. Up front, you'll find a bold chrome grille flanked by dual headlights, while the rear showcases the iconic round taillights that became a Chevy trademark. Available in 2-door and 4-door models, the Bel Air had plenty of color options and chrome accents, making it a true statement car of its time. Interior. Moving inside, the interior was all about comfort and style. The Bel Air came with spacious bench seats upholstered in high-quality vinyl and cloth combinations. The dashboard featured a sweeping design with chrome detailing, a large speedometer, and easy-to-reach controls. Chevy offered options like a push-button radio, heater, and even power steering for added convenience. With plenty of legroom and a wide cabin, this car was perfect for families and long drives alike. Performance. Now let's talk performance. Under the hood, the 1961 Bel Air offered a variety of engines, from the economical 235 cubic inch inline-six to the powerful 409 cubic inch V8, which made this Chevy a favorite among muscle car fans later on. Horsepower ranged from about 135 horsepower in the base model to over 360 horsepower with the 409 V8. Transmission options included a 3-speed manual, 4-speed manual, and a 2-speed powerglide automatic. With its smooth ride, responsive handling, and impressive power for the era, the Bel Air wasn't just a pretty face, it could perform. So, what makes the 1961 Chevy Bel Air so special? It's the perfect blend of style, comfort, and performance, capturing the essence of early 60s American motoring. Whether you're a collector, a classic car enthusiast, or just someone who appreciates timeless design, the Bel Air remains an automotive icon that continues to inspire generations. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, hit that like button, subscribe for more classic car reviews, and let us know in the comments, what's your favorite Chevy of all time. Until next time, keep those engines roaring.